Malawi Brief.
Pamene zokambirana za ku nyumba ya malamulo zikupitirira, phungu wa dera la Lumpi Central a Matthews Mtumbuka omwenso ndi achipani cha UTM afika m'bwalomu ndipo ali ndi zolankhula. Mmene munso a Marina Vicha komanso a Ben Phiri afikanso ndipo alankhula zotsatirazi.
However, while repatriation is necessary, it must not be mistaken for a lasting solution. The fundamental question that demands an honest answer is,
but honorable member,
why are so many Malawians risking everything
you, Chitipa
to seek?
You stood on a point of order, unless you didn't come for training. What came on my screen was a point of order. That's why I called you, because I thought it was a point of order. I'll let you continue, but honorable members, we have to know our gadgets. If it's a point of order, it is, you know what you're supposed to do. If you are raising your hand, you also know what you're supposed to do. So I'll not entertain questions or debates through point of orders. Proceed.
That is taken, Mr. Speaker. The fundamental question that demands an honest answer is, why are so many Malawians risking everything to seek opportunities outside our own country? The answer is simple. It is because of unemployment, poverty, and limited economic opportunities continue to push thousands of our young people to leave Malawi in search of better life. Many of them do not leave because they want to. They leave because they feel they have no choice. The jobs that many Malawians undertake in South Africa, whether in construction, agriculture, security services, hospitality, domestic work, transport, small-scale trading, or manufacturing, are jobs that can and should be created here at home through deliberate and practical economic policies. UTM, therefore, calls upon government to move beyond crisis management and begin addressing the root causes of economic migration. We propose the following measures as UTM. Launch national job creation program focused on labor-intensive sectors such as agriculture, agro-processing, construction, tourism, mining, and manufacturing. Small to medium enterprises need support by providing affordable financing, reducing unnecessary taxes and bureaucracy, and creating an enabling business environment for entrepreneurs. Invest in skills development through vocational training, as well as creation of industrial parks and colleges for young people to acquire skills that match the much needed industry skills, as well as promoting industrialization by establishing markets and incentives for local and foreign investors to manufacture goods right here in Malawi rather than importing finished products. Also strengthening agricultural value chains to create employment in food processing, storage, packaging, and marketing instead of exporting raw products. To develop a comprehensive reintegration program for returning citizens by offering business startup support, skills recognition, counseling, and employment opportunities so that they can build and rebuild their lives with dignity. Expand public works and infrastructure projects that create immediate employment while improving roads, irrigation systems, schools, hospitals, and other essential public infrastructure. As a nation, we must stop exporting our labor because we have failed to create opportunities here at home. Every Malawian deserves the chance to earn a decent living without being forced to leave their family and country. UTM believes that Malawi possesses abundant human talent and natural resources. With visionary leadership, sound economic management, and policies that prioritize production and job creation, our country can provide meaningful opportunities for its citizens. As I conclude, Mr. Speaker, sir, we stand ready to support every genuine effort aimed at creating jobs, restoring hope, and building an economy where every Malawian can thrive without being compelled to seek survival beyond our borders. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to say thank you for allowing me to speak, and definitely the feedback has been taken, and next time I'll definitely do it as it should be. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you so much. I just wanted to clarify. Rumpi Central, right? Are you sitting on your seat? Because in the system it's showing Chitipa Chendo. Yeah, I think they want you closer to the border. Our technicians will have a look at that and sort that out. I don't know, leader, should I consider that one as a question, or I should take one more?
Right Honorable Speaker, I think I did guide that the last two interventions were the last, and meanwhile, I wanted to ask the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Relations to wrap up the conversation.
Minister, is your mic not working? Let's try it. Please press it. Minister, go. Oh, okay. I'd given you the, okay.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Sir, I would like to thank all the honorable members who have contributed to this. Concerning the leader of opposition, I fully agree with the historical background which has been given concerning our contribution, the Malawi contribution to South Africa, and the historical background which has been given also by others in terms of the role that Malawi played during the independence of South Africa. I would like to assure you that the diplomatic dialogue which has been involved by our President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, together with Cyril Ramaphosa, has dwelt in these issues, and also at the present moment ourselves, as you know, Malawi is chair of the SADC organ on politics, defense, and security cooperation, and has sent a request to SADC Secretariat to initiate a fact-finding mission whose outcome will guide the next steps for SADC on the matter. This is very important, especially as you know, the future is that we have to look in terms of economic integration and so on. So I think this SADC mission will look into all these things. I should also like to refer I would also like to refer to the honorable member for Nzimba North, who raised issues about the women and other things which we do for those who had died and suffered in different ways. I would like to inform the honorable members that with respect to social psycho support, DODMA has put in place a technical team from different stakeholders who are providing different types of support to the returnees, which includes smooth reintegration into society. And I personally was also at the Kamuzu Stadium in Blantyre and even at Mwanza, and I saw the type of counseling which was done at that time. And as you may recall, even in the speech that I made, I told the people that in their various communities they should take advantage of the MEDIF loan. And of course, we know also that we'll be rolling out on the Constituency Development Fund, the 5 billion at a later stage, and these people will also take advantage of it. Finally, I would also, it has also been mentioned by others in terms of what other things in terms of economic integration. I would like to refer you to the program of the, which has been initiated and which is still in place of building these technical colleges. We know that the people who are coming have got a lot of skills, and so some of these can be inculcated in our technical colleges as teachers, and others will be encouraged to start their own businesses and employ Malawians. So rest assured that as far as the government is concerned, we are doing everything possible to make sure that these are integrated. Finally, Right Honorable Speaker, I would say that we cannot, is not in the best interest of the human rights principle to stop people from leaving the country. We know all over the world that people, even those developed countries, people leave the country to other countries for greener pastures, for different activities. But what is there is that we have to control and ensure that before they leave, they should have at least a place where they will be employed or whatever. And I think that is what we are currently doing. Because the problem which we have in South Africa is of people who were found without any documentation. So you are fighting against a system and you cannot justify somebody who has no legal documents. This is the issue and the dialogue which we are also going to be engaged with the authorities, taking into account the historical aspects which are brilliantly analyzed here. Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, and I thank all of you for your sympathy and your contribution, and I'm sure that you also support the budget which we have called for DODMA. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs. I see Honorable Minister of Gender, and then I also see the leader. Discuss, please. Leader of the House. The Minister of Gender,
Honorable
your
Speaker.
mic. Minister of Gender, your mic, please. Your mic, yeah.
Well, in the interest of respecting women, I will use the floor for now to the Minister of Gender. Apologies, Right Honorable Speaker.
I expected that. Thank you, Leader of the House. Minister of Gender. You have the floor.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. Allow me to thank the Honourable Leader for granting me the floor to comment a word or two on the issue that has been responded by the Honourable Minister of Foreign Affairs. Right Honourable Speaker, firstly, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister of Foreign Affairs for his statement ably delivered and for his responses, assuring honourable members on the issue regarding to returnees from South Africa. Honourable Speaker, I would like also to thank the Minister for his efforts in ensuring that all returnees are safely home. As Minister responsible for social welfare, I would like to thank the Honourable Member for Zimba North for her questions regarding to issues of psychosocial counseling, family tracing. Honourable Member, my ministry is providing psychosocial support to all returnees right there at the border. And we are also helping all returnees in family tracing and reunification. My ministry is working hand in hand with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs through DODMA. And very shortly, we'll have a roundtable discussion to see how best we can handle all returnees by providing them with psychosocial support like social cash transfer to help rebuild their lives with dignity. So I would like to assure you, my sister, that we are doing all what we can, ensuring that our brothers and sisters are safe and are also getting enough support from the government. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Minister of Gender, for that update. Yes, Leader of the House.
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. I beg to move that the order paper be further varied in order for us to tackle government business A, Roman numeral 1. The Honourable Minister of Local Government to present a statement on the actualizing APM's dream of one Malawi through equal and evenly distribution of public resources, a case of the defined CDF and its preparedness. I beg to move.
Thank you, Leader of the House. Honourable members, we have a motion on the floor as announced by the Leader of the House that we vary the order paper in order to allow Minister of Local Government to present a ministerial statement. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary view say no. The ayes have it and the motion is carried.
Government business, ministerial statement, Roman numeral number 1. The Honourable Minister of Local Government and Rural Development to present a statement on the actualizing APM's dream of one Malawi through equal and evenly distribution of public resources, the case of refined CDF and its preparedness.
Thank you. Minister of Local Government, proceed.
Right, Honorable Speaker, good morning. I rise to present a ministerial statement on the implementation of the reformed Constituency Development Fund, CDF, of which I've entitled The Actualization of APM's Dream of One Malawi through Equal and Evenly Distribution of Public Resources. A case of the reformed CDF and its preparedness. Right, Honorable Speaker, at the outset, allow me to reaffirm the government's unwavering commitment to decentralization, accountable governance, and inclusive socio-economic development. The reformed CDF is one of the flagship initiatives of the government aimed at accelerating service delivery and ensuring that development reaches every constituency in a transparent, equitable, and sustainable manner. Right Honorable Speaker, sir, the reformed CDF was introduced to address weaknesses identified in the previous implementation framework while strengthening accountability, transparency, technical oversight, and citizen participation. Under the new arrangement, development planning and implementation are anchored within the local council structure, thereby in reinforcing the principle of decentralization and ensuring that the public resources are managed in accordance with the Public Finance Management Act and other applicable laws. The reform also seeks to ensure that projects financed under the fund are community-driven, technically sound, climate resilient, and capable of delivering lasting socio-economic benefits. Right Honorable Speaker, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development has registered significant progress towards the rolling out of the fund. This ministerial statement, therefore, provides an update on the state of preparedness and an update on the progress made this far.